We're at the boarding gate. We're going. Mag-lunch muna kami.
Nauna kami sa kanila.
Tagal kasi. So, kain muna. Going to meet our cousins and relatives. Oo. Wow. Kumain kayo? Ba't di kayo pumunta? Anong? Kuha yung baggage. Touchdown, Taiwan.
Wi-Fi. I'm logging.
That's data.
I'm activating it.
Watch.
Wait, where?
Watch.
Ay, mamatay.
Wait, where?
Palit ako.
Kalabas siya.
Apa, baggage.
Okay na.
We're done with the immigration. We're done with the luggage. So next
Ano
is
binili namin sa Europe po?
Japan.
Samsonite?
We will be meeting our tour guide, Robin.
Send kayo sa GC.
After that,
My name is Lopin. Morning.
Good morning.
Lopin. Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
Now it's a little rainy. Little English only? Yeah.
Tagalog.
Mandarin.
Tagalog.
Mandarin. Little. Yeah.
After ko magbilang ng pera, so stressful.
But my English. A little. English.
So we're going to Sumendi,
Mandarin.
to our hotel to drop our luggages and then
Everybody at the shipyard?
seatbelt, okay.
Senti mode. Play drama music.
Napalayo yung voice.
Dahil lang dito.
Ako yung katabi.
Hindi, kanya-kanya silang me time. Ito yung end na. Di nakasya pa ba?
Kami ay ano floor.
Ay, hindi kasya. Ito yung itsura ng tent. Ay,
Padala mo na yung isa. Yan.
1,
10.
9.
Kuya na naman.
Welcome to the vlog.
Let's see if it's ugly or pretty.
Taiwan.
Ah,
Smoke one.
I mean, you get what you pay for.
You got what you pay for.
Nagtitipid yung parents natin, so...
Alam mo ba di tayo gumagalaw? Wala kasi tayong key card. Buksan natin. Stairs tayo.
Ha?
Joke lang.
Gumagalaw.
Ito naman!
Ano ba yan? Naka-0 ba yan? 10.
Ayun
10.
It's 1-0.
Ah.
Init. Ang labas namin and then ito yung pagpasok. Shell, what are your thoughts sa lobby?
Sa lobby, it's scary, but like, we don't judge yet. So later, we're gonna have a reveal of the 3 family rooms. And let's see who has the best room.
We'll see later.
We'll see. I'm actually excited.
At 2 p.m. Dito kami nagstay last time. Doon sa building sa taas. Ay. Tapos maglalakad kami dito dati. Tapos doon yung ano namin, Airbnb dati. Agad? Wala, may car. We're looking for food, and at the same time we're looking for food. And at the same time So goodbye. So memories bring back memories. After 2 years, we're back at here again.
Care Bear.
Yeah,
Yeah, I kind of want to go there.
everything's cute here.
I wanna watch everything. If only it's not raining, guys. We're selling a flower.
So if you're going to try the Laotian noodles, basement 1.
Michelin.
And it's already a food court, so I'm gonna try. Hey, dami choices. Wala, gusto ko rin ito. Bakit to? Baka sa kabila. Oh no, baka mababla. Ito. Ito yung pila. So they're ordering something. What kind of?
It looks like a frog drink.
It's a melon drink ata.
Melon drink. Let's try it.
Laotian Dong. Pork on rice. Beef on rice. Beef noodles. Beef fried or something. Or something. This is giving Doraemon. Doraemon, dorayaki. Ito yung kinakain ni Doraemon eh, dorayaki.
Ang dami pa ng ano, milk.
We also have milk tea here and all. So, ay, sorry. Okay na. We're done with the food. Laotian Dong noodles. So we're off to find a bank to withdraw cash, of course. Ciao. Ay, kaya kain. Naiwan ko yung akin eh.
Ay, ano yung hawak mo na yun?
Tara na.
May ganito kasi kaya hindi mo ma-shoot yung ano ko eh. Ayun na si Alex.
Wala na, iwanan na natin yun.
Sanla na yan.
Video yan.
It's video.
Asan na? Ayan na.
Taste test na.
Hand it over.
Kaya pa dito kayo sa amin?
Oo,
We're gonna try crispy milky donut. Gimme.
Naka-video lang yan.
Gimme.
Asan na yung donut natin binili?
Hand it over.
Wala tayo kumain. Dito pa dito.
Alex.
Talaga?
Tatan mo na double angle.
What are the flavor? Yung milky, yung ano. Where's the milk here?
Ilan yung salted egg?
Isa lang.
Madami sila kayo, madami kayo.
Saan? Binili lahat?
It's fine.
Balik tayo.
Hindi siya masarap pag ibigay niyo. Bigyan mo si mama.
Here.
Apat lang yung atin.
Ro.
Dami niyan. Ay, hindi pala yun.
Teka lang.
Uy, isang milky sa akin. Ilaga niya.
Ni ma'am.
Okay naman ah.
Apat. Oh, share ko niya yan.
No, wait. Nice. Guys, there's a stain.
Oh yeah, forgot.
This one. Okay, let's go. Cheers.
Cheers. Crispy donut.
1 to 5 Kyle, 1 to 5.
5.
May agad, wala po, hindi po nakagad.
Tuwa ko kanina, hindi ko nagustuhan eh.
Hindi ko nagustuhan yung kanina. Sarap to.
Ito naman, isa pang view.
Ay, hindi na
Ako
pwede.
yun, doon ang kabili eh. Sabi sa'yo eh. Hindi na nakita. Ano ba?
Masarap.
Nahanap namin, hindi na
I like it. Parang ano siya, Isaac. Yung isa ito. Yung isa salted egg. Masarap siya. Ito yung I like the milk powder. It's like apple.
Ay, yan, maple donut.
Can I grab it? Ooh, look at guys. And then here, there's still the other family here.
Yeah.
Look at Ate Crystal. There's the others, Mama.
May isang flavor pa.
Here.
Lasang bitso.
Oo.
And then this is the two people.
Bitso ano?
How was it?
Parang marinduki lang.
Rate it. 1 to 5.
Nasa dati yun.
Wow, they love it. Okay.
Paubaya. Paligid natin.
Sabi natin yung people ng Tagalog.
Ito?
Masarap yun.
Gusto sa'yo?
Okay na.
Magpahulog yung mga milk
Crispy Lucky Donut sa 5.
sa loob.
I give it like a 4.
Why 4?
Because I'm saving the one and only 5 for the milk tea.
Okay, we don't give 5s.
Oh no, don't expect too much. You might get disappointed. What's that?
I don't know, it's like normal bread.
Hindi, kainin mo pa. Nasa loob pa. Nasa loob pa. Dig deeper. Yeah, that one.
This one.
Check it
You have to fish for the gold.
Pagad.
I don't know, we're so let us taste the the
Grabe.
buns, guys.
Grabe, wala pang 5 minutes.
Wala pang 5 minutes. They just made us finish the food and
Yeah. So we're on to the next
it's like raining again.
trip. Sing Futang.
So we're gonna go straight?
Straight then left and then right, I guess.
Okay.
Based on Kuya Kal's explanation. Ha? Nasa maleta. Hindi ko nakuha kanina.
Yeah. I think you've been burn daw.
Let's go.
I guess food trip today.